It's the North Carolina State Fair Day. I'm going to show you all the cool things that we ate and drank while we visited the fair. Be patient and expect to wait in lines for good food. Our first stop was at Waypoint Oyster Bar, and it was worth waiting for. So they had this new item, the crab and shrimp bomb. But when I looked at it, I didn't think it was really worth the price. So I went after something different. All right, y'all, I don't know if the sun is blocking this or not, but I want you to be able to kind of see. We went to Waypoint Oyster and got some fried oysters. They did have a new option this year, which was some shrimp and crab balls that were dipped in hot Cheeto. But we decided we were going to go ahead and just do classic fried oysters, and we're going to give them a taste here. They are good. Next stop, Oak City Fish and Chips. We heard that they have some kind of a king crab pop, like deep fried king crab on a stick. What? $67 for the king crab? Now, I know it's expensive. If somebody else is going to pay for this, please let me know. Was it really worth it? We opted for the lesser expensive item, which was the lobster pop. So we thought that would be just as good. So we'll show you what we think of that. That's good. It's a little spicy, but good. All right, in case you are planning on visiting the public house, I'm going to give you a quick look. They've got quite an extensive beer menu, it looks like. We'll get it closer up when we get in. All right, they serve you a really cold beer in this metal cup. So it's going to stay nice and cold, but you got to stay inside the public house. All right, so I talked to the people at the NC Brewers Guild. They're the ones that are putting on the public house, and they said that the beer is going to rotate. So you can check it on the North Carolina Brewers Guild news area of their website, and they'll tell you what's on tap. So if you're standing in line, you'll know you're standing in line for something that you want. And I got the hazy, so let's give it a try. Pretty darn good. Agriculture is such a big part of our food supply. So I would be remiss if I didn't stop in at some of the agricultural exhibits as well.
I recommend encourage people not to use seven dust on their vegetables. Like if you have to do something natural, or you could do a liquid, and then again apply it late in the evening, and that will help our honeybees. That's how to do that.
Wow, giant pumpkins. Look at how much this one weighs. Not just pumpkins, peppers, 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 potatoes, and apples. Oh my. We learned a little bit more about dairy as well. I didn't realize that we had as many dairy farms in North Carolina as we do. And here were the winners of the dairy competition. Apparently, we have a lot of really great cheese that is grown locally. And there's even a map. You can actually map out your cheese tours. That's something fun to do in the winter time. Got to be NC also was putting on cooking competitions. And even though we didn't get to be part of the competition, here were some of the folks that were. That was the schedule for Friday. All in all, we had a great time at the North Carolina State Fair. And if you want to use the Food Finder, we have it available so you can plan your walk around this whole map and this whole area based on the food that you want to try or the exhibits you want to see. Just go ahead and get it at loveoffood.net. Thanks for watching.